Alright guys, so quickly I want to do this video to guide us through the withdrawal process of the AINTUITION project or platform. Guys, if you've not joined this platform yet, you are losing, you are missing out. Okay, this is amazing. We are making it cool here. By March, before this platform is officially launched to the world, we are already pioneers in it, so you got to join us. Okay, now quickly, to withdraw for the first time, you need to set your wallet address. So head toward the menu. I need you to scroll all the way down and click this one that says security settings. Okay, click security settings, and then take this one that says wallet settings, click on it. Okay, now I need you to understand that all the currencies that are displayed for deposit, you can set wallet addresses for them. And if you are a team builder or a promoter, then you might need to set all, because the issue is any currency your downline deposit in, you are going to be rewarded in that currency. So if your downline deposit in BTC, you are going to be rewarded in BTC and you withdraw in BTC. Now the system doesn't really have a way to convert one currency to the other. Okay, so anyone that your downline deposit in, that is what will be available for you to withdraw. Okay, now all of them here you can just set them. And I need to warn you that you have to be very, very careful when we are bringing in your wallet address to set, because once you put in there and click on this save changes, it becomes configured. And guys, I tried to change it, it's not changeable, which means that any wallet address you put here is fixed. So you must make sure you are without any error. Okay, so for tutorial or for the sake of education, I'm going to bring in to set my Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, I usually use BEP20, this very one here, Theta BEP20. That's what I use for withdrawal. But in case maybe any downline will use that for me, I will deposit in BTC. But there's no harm. You can deposit, you can fix any address there. Okay, so quickly, you have to go get let me go get my BTC wallet address from my exchange or my wallet where I want my money to go. So that's what you must also do. Copy the address. If it is Theta TRC20, Bitcoin, Ethereum, anyone, just copy the address. Make sure you copy the right address. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm in my Binance account, so I'll click this yellow one that says add fund. Then I'll take on chain deposit. Then I'll take BTC, okay, because that's what I want, the currency I want. I'll take BTC. Then the net BTC network I will use is Bitcoin, okay. But whatever network, I think Bitcoin is the best. Whatever you are using, you must get the right network. Okay, now it will display the address for me. This is it right here. I will just click on copy, and then it will copy. Then I will now go to the platform, and then where is BTC? BTC is here, so I'll just paste the address here. You long press, and then you see paste. Once you paste, then you click on this one that says save changes. Once you click on save changes, it will save your BTC address. So if I go there, you see it is saved. Okay, so now that it is saved, you can go ahead and you'll be given an email to confirm it. To notify you that you've done something like that. Now let's go to overview. Okay, because now I have set everything. So now I will just click on withdraw. Okay, then I'm withdrawing. You scroll down and you see this arrow here. Okay, click on it, it will display the currencies for you. Now I am withdrawing, but before that, you see, once you click on withdraw, these are the currencies that will display. Okay, so every one that you have balance in, it will display. So if you can see, my BEP20 is displaying. Imagine somebody that did a deposit with Theta TRC20, I would have been giving commission in that, it will display. Okay, I'm withdrawing BEP20 because that's what I have. So you scroll down and then you see this small arrow, you click on it, okay, and then choose the currency you are withdrawing in. So in my case, Theta BEP20, this very one here. So I will just click on it, okay. Then at the amount you want to withdraw, you put it here. In my case, I want to withdraw all, so I'll click on maximum, and anything you have there will come. I have already set the wallet, so I don't need to set it again, okay. So all I need to do now is to click on the withdraw button down here and then wait successfully. Now it will display this for you. They will tell you you have successfully submitted withdrawal request to this address. Your address that you set there will always display. So that is how the withdrawal go. If I come to overview, you see my balance will now be 0. It is gone. Now this should take between 30 to 2 hours at most, okay. 30 to 2 hours, then it will reflect in my Binance Wallet. So guys, that is how the withdrawal is done, okay. So it is pretty easy. Any currency you want to withdraw, you can withdraw in. And I like BEP20 because even from $1, the minimum withdrawable amount in with BEP20, not all the currencies you are seeing, I'm talking about BEP20, is $1. So once I have $1, I can withdraw, okay. But I don't know about the other currencies. I don't know their minimum withdrawable amount, but with time we'll find out and let you know. That's why you have to be part of this channel if you are not yet, so that any update we post, you can be updated, okay. If you are yet thinking of coming into Intuition project, guys, the registration link is right in the description of the video. Click on it and then get your account registered, okay. It's free to register, okay. Then you pick a package, okay. You can join the WhatsApp group, which I'll share the link in the description of the video. Join the WhatsApp group and get in touch with me or any of my able admins and my leaders there. They will help or guide you do the activation. We send videos of activation all on this channel. But if you are stuck, you can just contact us. One-on-one tutorial, we can guide you through and be part of us, be part of making money with this smart people family. Guys, I'll see you in my subsequent videos. Until then, guys, take care. I love you. Stay blessed. Bye.